Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make a custom made book cover. So for this we will be requiring to choose this template from here, which is book cover. I have to write and we will choose the suggested here and we will choose a blank book cover here. So after that we have to not choose any type of template which is suggested from here. So we will go to upload section and as you can see we'll use these two images for our example. So for that we have this image which is downloaded from pexels.com and this image, this is a png file which is downloaded from freeiconspng.com, and I will share both the links in the description for your help. And now we have to just remove the background from this image. So if you have a Canva Pro account you can do it for free. You have to just go to the effects and just do the remove background. But if you don't have a Canva Pro account and you want to try the similar effect in a free account, you have to do a different approach, which is that you have to go to pixlr.com. here I will also share the link in the description for your help, and just scroll down here to find the remove BG option, and as you can see it is 100% free. So you have to open this image and just click it, open, and I will use the suggested full HD option and click on apply. It will take some time and it will just clear the background as you can see here, and you have to just download it and it is ready for you. So after that, it is the downloaded image which I have already created and downloaded. So we will use this and we will just use the side keys to make the size bigger. And as you know, we will make the hollow effect. So for making the hollow effect you have to make this side free. So for that, now it's done, let's do the cropping. Okay, so cropping is done, and now let's duplicate it, adjust it, then make it size bigger. Okay, and after that let's just crop the above one, and the beneath layer which I have made the cropping, just tilt it to 90 degrees. As you can see it's 90 degrees here, so just bring it here. And now we have to make the hollow effect. For that we have to match this skin tone. So for that Canva already has an option which is going to the link of Canva color palette generator, from which we will get a very great option. As you can see here, I am showing you. As you can see, Canva is just searching on the color palettes used in this image, and as you can see the skin image here is this quicksand effect, and I will just copy this code and just go to the elements, use circle. Okay, and here we will change the color. So for color change, as you can see we have placed the code, and now I will just make it smaller so that it get arranged with the image. Just take some time to adjust it because it will help you. in the later process also. Use the arrow keys to adjust it, and it is done. Now to make a hollow effect, you have to show you it a different darker color, that it is not similar. So just use it to duplicate it, and I will also need a hollow layer here also in this head part. So let's move it a bit and let's tilt it to 90 degrees and just bring it here. Use the direction keys to adjust it. Make it a bit bigger, and as you can see, it's adjusted here. Make it a bit up so that it just doesn't blend with this one. And now let's duplicate it, make it a size smaller, and just make it middle. Go to this color palette and just choose any deep color effect for this hollow effect. Same do for this one also. Make it smaller, centerize it, and just follow this same color pattern. And as you can see, a hollow effect is made here. And now it's time to bring the books into action. We'll choose the books, we'll just resize it, and we'll just crop it a bit so that it looks like it's coming out of the head effect. Let's zoom it to see more clearly. Okay, so let's unzoom it. Now our effect is ready. Okay, so we'll select all of them and just bring it to a bit left so that we can make use of the title of here. So we'll use the title as Let's Read Books, for example. So I will use this combination. I have recently used this, so it's coming in the recently used. So you can just find it in the second portion of this font combinations here, and just delete this one and write yes less. Okay, so we'll choose the font size as 144, and font I like Cardo font, so let's go with it. We'll bring it here. And next we have to write read. I'm making all the expressions as different in this writings so that we can try to make different effects for different writings. Okay, so I will choose here 104. 120 will be good. So we'll keep the font same and just bring it here. And for books we'll choose here again, delete it, and write books here. We'll choose the Cardo font and we'll do the size to 144. Go to effects, and for this we'll be using the curves layer, and we'll just rotate it so that it blends well here. We have to make the size big so that it looks better. So we'll try 175. Let's see. So it's looking good. Let's read books. So we will be trying a soothing background here. So for this we will be typing here ripple, and we will choose the second option and just drag it down so that the water level comes a bit down here. After that we will go to effects and we will add a shadow here. Let's add black as the shadow. Okay, and for this we will just use the white color and make it a bit small, like 110 would be better. And for this we will be again using this shadow effect, making the color to black and increasing the transparency. And as you can see, our custom book cover is ready. And you can also suggest me what all tutorials you want to see next, and I will try to make a similar tutorial for you. And let me know in the comment section if you like this tutorial or not. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and stay connected.